Hey drivers, this is Andrew, ThirdCoastRC in Houston, and here today I'm going to show you this light kit that we just installed. This is a high-end premium light kit that comes from CSRC. This is it right here. Comes with the front running lights, comes with front high beams when you go into full speed. It's got indicators, turn signals on left and right, front and rear. It's also got brake lights that are running all the time at 50%, and then when you go in reverse they go to 100%. And it's also got the reversing lights, so white reversing lights when you go into reverse. It's a pretty easy install. We had to extend some of the wires to make it fit on this large vehicle we have here, which is the I think it's the big Traxxas, the 7th scale, the super fast one that a customer wanted us to install in here, so we had to extend some of these lights. We've got it hooked up, because I don't have the car here, just the body. We've got it hooked up to a slave servo off one of our demo models here. You can see the kit is just hooked up to channel 1 and channel 2 through these interfaces here. It comes down here, and you've got it running right now. I'm going to turn this car over so you can see it. So you can see here that the front running lights are on. We can see them here and here. They're on all the time. We go to the rear, we've got the rear lights on there all the time, the red rear lights. So then we'll stay at the rear here. If we apply the brake and go into reverse, you can see that the reverse lights come on. And then if we turn right, you can see the blinker works on the right side. Turn left, blinker works on the left side. And if we go back to the front, we turn left and the blinker's working there. We turn right, the blinker's working there. And if we go full throttle, then we can see the lights all brighten up entirely. And if we go back to the rear, so we can see here on the brake lights, when we go from full speed, so the headlights are on and go straight to, they brighten up, yeah, when you go straight to brake. When you pause and go reverse, the reversing lights come on. So you go full speed and straight to brake. You see how they brighten up now that I'm on brake? I'm on brake here on the controller. They brightened up, let go back to just running lights, which is really cool. This is a cool kit that doesn't cost too much. It's a little bit of a fiddly install because we had to extend a lot of the wires to fit on this big car, but it's done now. On a 10th scale truck, which it's made for, there wouldn't be any extenders. They come with these cool, I don't know if you can see them here, yeah you can, these cool little clips that hold them in, so those go in and they hold it solid, so these are not going to rattle around, these bulbs are not going to shake around. There's two sizes, 3mm bulbs and 5mm bulbs, depending on which lights they are. So the front indicators are only 3mm here, so those little clips, they clip straight in, easy to do. They clip in here. You can see that the ones here on the side, see here, those ones clip it to the body, and then these ones, the slightly longer ones, hold the bulb. So it all works really well. It comes with these little extra clips here to tidy up the body. I've got a couple more of these that we're going to install just to tidy up some of these wiring a little bit. But it's a real cool kit. It works real well, and if you want one of these, I'll post a link below so you can pick one up from our store. And on 10th scale, it's an easy install. Just got to make sure that you don't make the holes too big. If you make the holes too big, then the light goes straight through. These little clips go straight through. And you can see on this one here, that actually happened. I made the hole slightly too big. So in that case, I had to use just a little bit of hot glue to make sure that it stayed in position. And the small ones, sometimes they just rattle a little bit, just move a little bit. So actually in the rear, I applied hot glue to them as well, just to stop the bulb shaking. So it looked more realistic when it's driving. So you got any questions on this? Let us know, and look forward to speaking to you next time. Please subscribe to our page and contact us through with any comments that you have or any questions you have through YouTube or through our Instagram channel or Third Coast RC or through Facebook, Third Coast RC. Thanks guys. Bye.